Oh yeah, I've been offend my girl. I'm sorry, hey. I've been there on stage impressing. When I left, my body was sweating. Some girls, them are backstage waiting. Them are looking so enticing. Funke, Bisola, and Messi. When I got closer, them a catch me. Wanna kiss me too, they touch me. Now so I dey feel like when MIT is I'm flexing. I never knew my girl was watching. She dey watch, she dey cry, she dey vexing. So I heard her voice. I never knew you have been cheating. Oh my God, this was so surprising. Cause I'm not the one regretting. And that was how she left. This is my radio call. My radio call. Just to say that I'm sorry, sorry. Oh, this is my radio call. My radio call. Just to say that I'm sorry, sorry. Oh, my baby girl in Pele, Pele, oh. My Binu, I'm sorry, oh, I'm sorry, oh. Sorry, oh, bello, baby, oh, bello. I don't go lie, when I saw her tears, I felt I committed murder. I don't go lie, when she walked away, if I pass go to no border. She dey cry, I dey see her tears like say now my mother dey cry. I start to vex on myself and I tell myself, say me I know dey try. Then slow down, I thought I was trying to please some fans. Now I realize it's a big mistake. I will never do it again. Say I don't do you wrong. I'm so sorry. Oh, this is my radio, my radio. Just to say that I'm sorry, sorry. Oh, this is my radio, my radio. Just to say